Heart chakra or Anahat chakra is the middle chakra. The color is green and pink, and the location is center of the chest. The gland is thymus, and the organs are lungs, heart, and even the blood circulation is a part of it. Now, it represents, unconditional love. It represents relationships, and it represents self-love, compassion, kindness, peace, healing. Now, if it is balanced, you feel loved all the time, and you have a lot of self-love, self-care, and you have a lot of receptivity. You balance, give and take, and you don't have any hatred, no arrogance, and you're so kind. You'll always be compassionate towards everybody, even the human beings or the animals or birds. And even if you are going through some bad times or in pain, still you have compassion and kindness for others, and you understand everybody's emotions and pain. Now when it is blocked, see, we attract rejections because of pain and hurt in heart. And when it is blocked, we are suspicious, and we are not open to love because of the hurt and the past rejections. We are not very open to receiving love. We are in self-pity, and we reject people, situations, and there is a lot of blame game, and they don't appreciate people, and this shows that all your heart chakra is totally blocked. So you have heart diseases, you have blood infections, blockages, depression, BP, and breast cancer, shoulder problems, lung cancer. So there is a lot of hatred, jealousy, anger, fear. All these things are there, and they don't find beauty in things. They find faults. They're big critics, and they're not comfortable with people, and mostly their thoughts are very negative. They have inner child issues, they have past issues, a lot of hurt and pain. Now if it is overactive, it shows that you're very suspicious, you have toxic relationships, and you suffocate people, you don't give any space to people, and you have overprotective tendencies, and either you'll be having lack of passion or you'll be over passionate. Also oversensitive, and you'll be having a lot of misunderstandings with people. Either you'll be having over emotions, you'll be very over emotional, and a lot of mood swings. So now how to activate? So to top is forgiveness, letting go, and having a lot of trust and compassion, no hatred, and you should be in surrenderness. You should trust the universe, and you should have the balance of giving and receiving, and so you should be in acceptance, be in surrenderness, be close to nature, do yoga, do deep breathing, do pranayam, and attach with the divine power, be in connect, do meditations, come in self motivation, and don't be judgmental. Spread love, do service, help people. This is how we balance, and come in receptivity, because when we are not in receiving, we totally block our heart chakra, and we don't get anything. So come in happy energies, come manifest in happy energies. Now in terms of physicality, you can eat green vegetables, you can wear green, you can have water in green bottles, glass bottles. There are many rituals which you can do. So you need to understand that nobody can make you unhappy till you give them the power, till you give them the control. So, and when you're aware that it's harming you and you need to let go, so you let go. That's very much required. Walk away from any situation which is disturbing your peace of mind, and it's not serving you. Instead of reacting, just simply walk away. Now whatever the situation, everybody faces problems, everybody faces tough situations in life. So you need to analyze the situation, why it has happened, and try to see what is the lesson that it is trying to teach you. Because whatever pain comes in your life, it has a lesson attached to it. And when we learn it, we just, come in good energies. So you can, shift your consciousness. You'll start loving life. So the affirmations, it's all about love. I love myself. I forgive myself and others. And my heart is full of love. I'm in receptivity. I'm receiving a lot of love. So these kind of affirmations also will help you a lot in, balancing your heart chakra.